What a reward for crapping your pants.
Oh, Kehnon.
Did you mess your... I thought something smelled. Josh has got dirty pants too, I think.
Kehnon.
Did you poop your britches?
On your 3-year-old birthday?
My birthday.
That's terrible.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Come on now. Open it. My toys. I do it.
What is it?
Forward cars.
Oh.
Mine.
Get in there, Woody Peacock. Bobby.
Look at.
Hey, Josh.
Oh no.
Don't know? Oh, what is it?
What is that?
Right now, better talk to my mom about that. Hold on a second.
What is that?
Mickey Mouse.
Hey,
Look at this, Mickey Mouse.
I don't know. I haven't used it in a while.
Let's see.
What you want to do?
You open it?
Oh,
Is it the movie or? Well, I've got
look at this.
the one that was on the
This.
TV movie. Yeah.
Open this. Salmon. Open it, Josh. Open it. Yeah.
Open it, Josh. He's gonna let you help him. Open it, Josh.
Good.
Got anything go in here?
Good.
Isn't it? Yeah, right here.
The mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
You want to finish opening this?
Give him that flat one so he can.
Oh, get Josh to open the little flat one.
Funny phone. Here, open
That's
this
for the bath.
for the bathtub. Let's hold that for the bath.
Here, open.
Here, let me see,
Somebody
Josh. Thank you. Here, open this one. This one goes with that. Open it.
Josh.
Okay. No.
Kehnon's happy birthday.
Yes.
How old are you, Ken?
Like that.
How old are you?
Trace. Like that.
Trace. Or what?
Okay. Ah, look at this.
Let me see.
What is that?
It goes in the Mickey Mouse Viewmaster.
Good. Ah,
Knife?
look at this.
Somebody needs to go to the car and get that thing out of the back of the car.
Relax in the
Go
back.
get that big thing out of the back of the car.
It's lightweight.
Look at this.
What is that?
I don't know.
Two hot dogs.
It's hot dogs.
Pretend food.
That's good.
You can cook.
Oh, I think that's his.
Uh-oh.
Coloring book. Yeah.
What do you say? Then what? dog.
Daddy, play dog.
You don't eat those, you play with them.
Look at that. This. Oh, this. This. Ah, my gosh.
What's that for?
I know.
It's for the beach.
The beach.
Toys for the beach.
Towards the beach. Baba Boon.
Are you hungry?
We asked Kehnon what that was. He says, I don't know.
Hot dog. That's what you had for supper.
Wait, I'm trying to.
And this.
Let's get some of this out of the way here so you don't overlook it.
Look, look. Pull the lever.
Isn't that neat? It's like watching a movie.
Don't let him fall backwards out of the chair.
Ah,
Who is that?
look at mine.
Mickey Mouse.
See, there's more too.
Yeah, what's that?
Keenan hasn't seen that.
Kehnon, look.
Oh, watch.
You want to put it on?
It's a bow. It's a bow.
Oh, boy.
Isn't this fun, Josh?
Watch. Look at that. And open this.
Just so much.
Whoops.
Oh, that damn.
Ah!
Oh.
Cake shop. Cake shop.
What is that?
Hi, the Dan.
The pizza.
Pizza pie. And then
Josh likes the balloon.
You want to put your watch on?
Look at this. Oh, look at the mouse. No, look at the mouse. Oh, the mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Oh, incredible. Oh, watch.
Oh, look at that. What
What
time is it?
There's a car.
6 o'clock? Are you sure? You better check.
It's 8:15. What is it?
I know. The bathtub.
No, what is that?
The garden.
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yeah, blow bubbles.
Whoa.
That's it.
Hmm?
Bubbles.
That's for later.
Let's
That's for
save it
outside.
for later.
Okay, you got more.
That more.
Can you do that so you can over here
Open
with
this.
That's okay.
Open this. I'm a hamburger. I'm a hamburger.
Which one do you push?
You just hold it and look through there.
And
It's
push.
It's going.
Josh.
It's
It's
recording
going?
right now.
What's that?
What do you look through, the top?
What is this? Look at this.
You're gonna do some cooking now.
Oh, isn't that cute? Look at the lettuce.
Okay, I would like a hamburger, please.
This. Ah!
What is it?
I know. I like it in the car.
What time is it, Keenan?
There's a car.
See, this is a pretty good indication.
Shoot
Do you not look at those?
Oh, look at that.
Josh is just hungry.
Look at this. Yeah, good.
So open your food up so you can do that other thing.
No. Hi.
No,
It's your food. Want to do some cooking? Okay.
Whoa. Look at that.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Choo-choo.
Did you already set the watch?
No, we're not money. Look at the ball. Look at the ball.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Can't go here. That is the 4.
Is he going to be able to pull that?
Mm-mm.
Let's go. No. It's just get 5.
Look at the light. Look at the light.
Uh-oh, there's a dust.
Is it changing? Let me see. Come on. Can you see it? What's in it? Come on.
But we had fun at long.
Whoa!
This thing isn't,
It's out of focus.
No, it gets sideways in there. I think it might be broken.
I'm okay.
Personal pan pizza?
this has to go in.
Ooh, hot.
Hey, where's that other
Go.
thing? One more, Kehnon.
Ooh, you want a piece of pizza?
You gotta play food.
What's that?
Hamburger?
Burger there! Ah, Burger!
Helicopter.
Burger!
It's a hot dog. It's a hot dog.
Where's that other thing at?
It's around the corner.
Here.
Got one more, Kehnon.
Kehnon, look what your mom's got over here.
Look over here.
The big one.
What do you think?
Did you hear it? Did you hear it? Do you think he likes it, Daddy?
Okay, I think Daddy and Peepa are gonna have to put it together, as always.
Here's a
hot
burger,
dog.
Josh. Here's a burger. There's burger.
Here, happy birthday. Here's your oven. You know what? Doesn't like a chair.
Oh, it showed chairs in a picture.
I got those cheap chairs.
Look, it's got a sink and an oven, cabinet. There. And a coffee maker. This is gonna stay up there, isn't it?
No, you gotta bolt it.
Oh, do you? And we got a top board here. Yeah. Isn't it neat? Oh!
It's your oven. Turn it on. I want a hamburger. Right now. Get it.
I cook it. smells bad.
Here's the piece.
Oh my God, get away from here.
Here's the piece.
Go away, Josh.
Here's a part.
Why don't we turn this off? How you turn it off? One of these two switches up here?
Yeah, this, go away, Josh.
Yeah. Go.
Okay, push the big red button in the back.
It's going.
It's going.
It says REC. Okay. Get up here.
Slow, the candle's
Start over.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kehnon. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
And many more.
Ready?
Wait.
Happy birthday to you.
Go ahead, bring it back over here. Give it to Josh. Sing it, baby. What? Back up. I can't see you.
Mommy,
What?
I want you. Please.
Hush. Stop it. Move. Josh is gonna be a rock and roll star. Oops, tripped over the cord. Hey, y'all come back! Kehnon and Josh! Come back around here where I can see you. Put it up there. Josh, go dance. Go sing. You boys. Hey, Josh. Look, Josh, come on.
Josh, look, Easter Bunny is here.
Look, Josh, look here. Look in here.
Look at Josh.
Oh,
The
Kehnon.
Easter bunny was
What is
here.
that?
Yeah,
Oh,
come here.
what did you get? Huh? What all did you get?
Just what he needed.
That's sugarless cake.
Oh, and Josh, what did you get from the Easter Bunny?
Popcorn. What's this?
A bird.
A bird. Well, take it out and look at him. Look at your. All right. Well, look at your bird. Say hi to your bird. That's your bird.
What's gum?
And look through here. Look it in there.
Kehnon, show me some things that you got.
What is that? What is that? Lollipop. This will make you real good.
And he hasn't done that in 2 days, so or day, so
Oh, really?
that's gonna.
Here, let me help.
And we might as well give Gunner his birthday present right now.
Happy birthday, Gunner.
Thank you.
21. Oh no, I'm getting off the streets.
Tell Gunner happy birthday. This is Mother's card. I didn't.
No.
Did she give you one? Oh, look at Gunner's pretty shirt.
Lunch. Look at that. Lunch. Hawaiian style.
Chewy.
We just had breakfast.
You've already got one.
That's
You eat that one first.
That's
Look at your duck.
What are y'all doing for
Quack,
lunch?
quack. Quack, quack.
Oh,
That's
You like that?
well, we shouldn't have eaten.